Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. It's morning time and I started my day with laundry and cleaning work. Well, my routine is not same every day. It depends on work and my mood too. What work I want to choose to do. Here in Singapore, for garbage throw, we got garbage chute, which is installed by the management. In each house, you will get, or in the same corridor, you will find it. We just need to pack the plastic of garbage tightly and dump into it. Few benefits of these garbage chutes are: maintain a safe distance from the trash at all the times, creating cleaner surroundings air, preventing fall odor in the corridors. After washed my hand properly, I came straight to kitchen to make the tea. Today for breakfast I am making cheesy garlic omelette. For omelette you just need to chop some onion, some garlic and some green chilies. It's very simple yet delicious. First put 2 eggs in a bowl, stir it continuously. Then add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili. If you have zira, add half teaspoon of zira too. Right now I don't have. Then add some chopped onion, some green chilies, and then I have right now some cream cheese, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cream cheese into it. If you have cheddar cheese or something else, you can add it accordingly. Put a pan on heat, add little butter, wait till it sizzles, then add some chopped garlic in it, stir it till it brown in color, then pour the egg batter. Wait till it cooks well from the bottom and then turn it. Just few minutes wait and your cheesy garlic omelette is ready. It's been almost a month finished. We shifted to Singapore from Jakarta, Indonesia. After spending 14 days quarantine in a hotel, which is compulsory to everyone who is coming to Singapore, we are in short-term rented serviced apartment. But now after search a lot, we finally got our condo, which is near to kids' school and my husband office workplace too. So that's the reason we are packing and going to shift in our new house. Although we are missing our Jakarta friends, family, and our families in India very much, it's been almost 1.5 years to meet our parents. Hope this pandemic will be over soon and get chance to meet them. Ending for this vlog now. Will be see you in my another vlog. If you like my video, do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.